What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 6th of May. We're taking a look this morning here on this Monday at Pepe slash the USDT. So it's been a while since we covered Pepe, and I wanted to get to this a couple days back, but here we are on the 6th. We're going to cover Pepe as it continues to rise here in price. Big breakout looking like it's underway here. A couple things I want to cover. We have some older price levels on the chart. We'll talk about those, how those held quite well. We have some new upper targets based on a couple different things we'll discuss. Guys, it's Pepe. It's a meme coin. It is what it is. There's money to be made, you know? Always know your risk. This is not financial advice. Welcome to the channel, guys. All right, jumping into this. Ticker symbol PEPE-USDT. So this will be Pepe slash Tether USDT. This will be a daily chart. This will be the BitGet data here, BITGET. All right, so let's take a look back on the charts just briefly. You can see this is went on a massive run here. We had some support down there at 96,222. Went on a massive run, consolidated, higher low, lower high, higher high, lower low, and then we are rallying here. Major support at the 47.8877, 47.8877 area. Major support right here. That just came in recently, actually. The 12th of April over to the 19th of April. So we had a couple days there support. That level was 47.8877 right here. That's actually an old level that is still acting as, it's still as important as it was when we were covering Pepe a while back, as you could see. Couple things here to talk about on Pepe. We have the lows in place. Lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This thing is now in a new uptrend, which means higher in price. We are no longer printing lower highs and lower lows. We are now printing higher lows and higher highs. Also, Pepe is within a head and shoulders pattern, and it's breaking out an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder. This is a bullish pattern to the upside since it's an inverse head and shoulders. A regular head and shoulders would be a topping pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You'd have a neckline, and your target would be down here. It'd be the distance between the neckline and the head for a quick example. So flip all of that on its head, and that's what we have right now. It's an inverse. It's a bullish pattern looking for an upside move. Well, you're getting that right now. We have a breakout taking place. Breakout just took place over on Friday the 3rd, May 3rd, Friday. And we're getting some continuation. Markets are currently up this morning, 7.30%. So this is looking good, guys. We have a couple levels we want to watch as this continues higher here. We want to check out this level here, which is the 31st of May. 31st of March, excuse me. We're in the month of May right now. 31st of March. We want to keep an eye on that level. We also want to keep an eye on the all-time highs here back in the 14th of March. So those are two levels we want to keep an eye on as price approaches. Today, we actually were very close today of breaking that first level over here on the 31st of March. That level is the highs from that level are 194.30. We're trading at, is that 194.30? 91.9430. We're trading at 91.2292. So we are very close to that level. Let's keep an eye on that today. So let's look for a break above that. That would be a very good start. Let me put circles on those highs so you guys can see them on the chart a little bit easier if I can find the tool that is. So next we are going to talk about some upper price targets based on a couple different items here. So there's some circles to keep an eye on those. You guys need to take a screenshot of the chart. Go ahead. Here's the inverse head and shoulders drawing. Keep that on there as well. So we have two different targets above the market here for Pepe. So I've owned Pepe personally in the past in the UpHold, the UpHold account, the UpHold app. There's a link down below if you want to buy Pepe or buy whatever you want, you know, within UpHold. Appreciate if you do use it. It's an affiliate link. It does help support the channel. By no means am I telling you to go buy Pepe or any other cryptocurrency, but if you're interested, there is a link down below. Let's, for starters, talk about the head and shoulders target to the upside. So you would basically take the neckline, and then you would take the lows of the head here. You would take that spread. You would add that spread to the neckline breakout zone, and it would give you a upper target. So that upper target is roughly going to be right where this red line is here. Roughly where this red line is right here. That's like at the 122.3692 level, roughly right around here. So you're looking at about a, if my math serves me correct here, I think it's roughly around there. It's like a 30 to 50% move higher from Friday, the 3rd of May, from this day right here. So it's roughly right up there where that red line is. It might be a little bit below that, but for starters, that's where we're going to shoot for this breakout that obviously is going to take us above the all-time highs here on the 14th. So that's about a 30 to 50% move from the neckline on Friday right up here. The level I have on my chart is 122.3692. Should have made those numbers bigger on the right-hand side, but overlooked that. Anyways, that's right here. We'll leave an arrow there. So target number 2 I have as potential resistance. I think if Pepe can get past our 31st of March as well as our 14th of March, we might pause slightly at the 122.3692, which would be basically a full run from the inverse head and shoulders. I think we're going to be heading up to the next level soon after. Obviously, it depends on what Bitcoin is doing. That level is 162.5069. 162.5069. That's up in here. I think that's the real big target that the price is going to get to. Assuming the breakout continues. You know, if the breakout fails, then obviously not. That's the one I'm really watching. But 122.69, 122.3692, excuse me, is just as important. That is going to put the price up from the Friday's breakout. You're about 110% move higher from where Friday was trading. From where we're currently trading at, you're looking at about a 80% move higher in price to get up to my second level up there, which is right here, guys. 162.5069. Target number 2, target number 1, which is just about where the head and shoulders tells us it's going. 122.3692. That's the first red line. So I think my targets are a little conservative. The 122.3692 I think is close, but I think this thing wants to run much higher than my upper target. But, you know, I got to stick with what the math says, and the math says we're right around that, about 110% from Friday's breakout. The 1625069 level right up in here. And then we'll have to reevaluate, but I would expect some kind of a resistance at both of these levels. For starters would be the first one right here. But hey, once these things break all-time highs, I mean, they could run quickly. So we could have a slight pause at either of these levels and then continue on. For fun, we'll throw the Fibonacci's up here before we wrap this video up, guys. If it's like the swing high, we'll take the swing low. And you can see, just for starters, the Fibs takes us, the 1618 takes you way up here to 205.1606. Way up here. And that's going to look like, from where we're currently trading at this morning, that's going to be about 125 or 126% move to the upside, guys. Interesting. Throwing the fibs on there. So that's my takes on Pepe. We have an inverse head and shoulders breakout. So far, we're holding to the upside. We have target number 1, 122.36.92. Target number 2, 162.50.69. Way up there, guys. And throw that on the, let's go from where we're currently trading at. If you're not already long this, 36% to a, call it 80% move, both to the upside. So we'll see if we get any kind of pullback here. Maybe sometimes you get a pullback back to the neckline, and then you'll actually get another break to the upside. But hey, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. The uptrend has started. Bullish pattern, 2 new targets above the market. Let's see. This thing breaks all-time highs. I mean, it could really start to run, very, very nice here. It's a meme coin. Take it for what it's worth. I get it. I have a tough time wrapping my head around the meme coins. There's a lot of money to be made from time to time. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's a market that's tradable. It's investable. You can make money. I guess that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you are not yet, go ahead and join us here. Turn the bell on if you want to be notified. If you're a member, you get early access to videos. Of course, not financial advice, guys. Please make your own financial decisions. You guys have a great day.